Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and Mary's from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today I want to show you how to do a simple card, simple stamping. Let's bring this down so you can see this a little closer. I am in the middle of trying to get my Christmas cards done, so I needed a really fast and quick one, especially being inside the 24-foot trailer. I can't do a lot, but I can do some. So what we're going to need is, I've used Winter Woods for the stamp set. I am going to use shaded Spruce for the ink. Now for the cardstock and stuff, I am going to use an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Whisper White. I am going to be using, these are 4 by 5.25, 4 inches by 5.25 inches of Real Red and shaded Spruce. And then I am going to, I just made these, and you probably will see them on Tips and Techniques Tuesday. This is Under the Mistletoe, but I shimmered it. I used rubbing alcohol or shimmering paint in a spritzer, and I spritzed it, and it makes it all shimmer. So I am going to cut these down. I am going to cut them down to 3 3/4. Let's get this right. I'm going to cut them down 3 3/4, right like that, by 5. So I'm taking this is a 6 by 6. They come 12 by 12, which is really better if you want to. You get more if you use that by 12 by 12, but I did a share, so that's that. I cut them down to 6 by 6. Again, 3 3/4. Oh, don't you love those, dear? By 5. Okay, now this is simple and easy. Oh, and you need your glue dots. And I knew I had some open ones. Where? Oh, there they are. And you need some Stampin' Dimensionals. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of Whisper White, and I am going to make it a card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5. Okay, or you fold it in half, a 5.5 by 8.5 inch Whisper White in half, and you got your card base. Then I am just going to take these, the green and the red, and I'm going to attach that to the Whisper White card base. And you can attach it with glue dots, snail, Tombow, whatever you want, all-purpose glue. And it fits so that there is a little white all the way around. And then I'm going to do the same thing to these, okay? And then I'm going to take my 2 pieces of shimmer, and I'm going to attach them. Now, if you do this, make sure that they're dry after you shimmer them. It takes them a little while, even though they're with alcohol, and alcohol takes a lot less time to dry than if you used water. That's why I use alcohol. And I'm going to place those there. Oh, no. There. And I'm going to place this one on here. And I'm hoping I can make like 50 of these in the next couple of days so I can get my Christmas cards out. And again, like that. Then I am going to take a piece of scrap Whisper White, and I'm going to just use shaded Spruce, and I'm going to do 2 of these I'm going to take the Petite Label Punch and I'm going to punch those out. Now if I had any more of this, the Shimmer spritz left, I'd spritz it just a little bit to give it some shimmer. And then I would find my Stampin' Dimensionals. I would really appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up supplies from me. All the information on purchasing is down below, and you can shop with me for all your Stampin' Up needs. I really would appreciate it. This is Stampin' Camp with Mary. Remember, we're in a 24-foot motorhome, so these are simple stamping. So, 2 great Christmas cards that have a little zing, and they're still simple stamping. They use ink, they use stamps, and they use paper. And a little shine. So, remember to sign up for my YouTube channel, and all the information about what you need for making these is down below. Thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.